I just wanted to cover one simple thing today, and it's going to be how to install your plug on your car to the transmission electrical connector. We get a lot of them that are just pushed down in the pan, and then I get a phone call that says it pushed down in the pan, I don't know what to do. Well, I'm telling you, you're installing it wrong, and here's why. GM put this handy little slot here that you simply take a screwdriver to hold it up. These little tabs help, but they aren't going to keep it from totally going down in the pan. So you take your screwdriver, line up your plug, and push it down. That keeps it from going in the pan. O-ring will hold and seal it as is, and you can be on your way. To uninstall, grab, give it a wiggle, pull it out. Not too bad, not too hard. So remember, GM did do one thing right, and they put this there for a reason. So next time you install and push it in the pan, you weren't using a screwdriver. That's all I wanted. Ryan from PerformaBuilt. Thank you guys for watching.